Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to apply the Snapcamera signature patch on macOS and how to remove the macOS code signing. We start by going to the signature patch website. On the website, we can now select a patch for macOS. Before we can apply the patch, we need to make sure that Snapcamera is not running in the background. You can use the activity monitor and look for Snapcamera. If it is present, we can force quit the application. And then we can select the binary. We need to go to the applications folder and open up the package. Inside the package, there's a contents folder and a macOS folder. And here we can drag and drop the binary onto the form. You should get a green check mark on the CRC value. You can then apply the patch and download the patched file. We then replace the original binary with the patched one. Great. Now we need to make the file executable. We can open up a terminal and use the chmod command. You can find the command on the signature patch source code website. If we execute the command, then it should work, or we get an error, just like this. And to resolve that error, we need to grant full disk access to the terminal application. Make sure this is checked. Let's restart the terminal. Now if we run the command a second time, it should work, and the file is now executable. The next thing we need to do is we need to remove the code signing on macOS. We can use the built-in Codesign command. You can also find and copy and paste the command on the source code project page. If we execute the command, it should work, and we can also manually check the code signature folder. If it is empty, the command succeeded. So we can now start Snapcamera, and the application should start without problems. If you're having problems starting Snapcamera, you might need to check your macOS security settings. If applications are allowed to run. And yes, this is how you patch the Snapcamera application on macOS. And
that's it.